Okay, welcome back. So finally today, we're going to draw a triangle ABC where AB is 8 centimeters, the angle BAC is 90 degrees, and the side BC is 10 centimeters in length. So this is a right angle triangle, isn't it? With a 90-degree angle in it. So the one thing I suppose to notice about this one is that if I were to draw a sketch, and I'll draw both sketches just to show you, but if I was to draw a sketch with the longest side, which is BC, that I've got, the longest side I've got at the moment, then it would end up being in a position where I wouldn't want the angle to be, because the angle would be kind of up at the top, where I prefer to have my angles down on the base. So in that case, I would be better off choosing this as my base. But I'll show you what I mean by drawing two sketches. So if I was to take AB as my base, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and this is AB. The angle BAC is 90 degrees, so BAC 90 degrees. So the 90-degree angle is here at A, isn't it? Because that was the middle one. That's where the 90 degree is. So my triangle would look like this with a 90-degree angle here. And then BC is 10 centimeters. BC is this side, 10 centimeters. So that works out nicely for me because I have my angle here and I've got my base here and my other side here. Whereas if I'd done my kind of other rule of thumb on this and taken BC as my base, then I'd have BC 10 centimeters. And then I've got AB is 8 centimeters. So A is somewhere up here and B is there. BAC is 90 degrees. So B to A to C is 90 degrees. So we've got something that would be like this with a 90-degree angle. And A would be up here and AB is 8 centimeters. So that's fine as a sketch, but again, any known angles we have, we'd prefer them to be in one of these positions when we're first drawing our triangle. Okay, so this is the better option in this case, even though the base is not the longest side in this particular instance. So we'll start again anyway using this example, so I'm just going to cross that out. And we're going to draw a line segment which is longer than 8 centimeters, then use our compass to draw the line segment AB at 8 centimeters in length. Okay, so I've drawn this line segment which is longer than 8 centimeters, and then I've just marked A on one side of it. And now I'm going to use my compass, which I've already measured out. The distance between the point of the compass and the lead of the pencil is 8 centimeters, just like we need it to be up here. So I'm going to try and do this with my left hand. Here we go. Point down at A, draw an arc. And where the arc cuts that original line segment, that's going to be the point B. So I'm going to mark that in. B. Now the next thing is we have this angle 90 degrees. So we're going to go to our protractor again, and we're going to line up our protractor here. We're going to mark 90 degrees up here. I'm going to mark it, and then I'm just going to draw a line straight up from A through the mark that I made, and I'm going to make it plenty long. Okay, so I've drawn a 90-degree line up here from A. Somewhere along that line is the point C, as we can see from the diagram here, somewhere there. Now we're going to figure out, or I suppose use the information that BC is 10 centimeters in length in order to figure out where C is. And again, when we're doing the length of the sides of triangles, it's back to the compass again each time, isn't it? So the distance between the lead of my pencil and the point of my compass, again, I've already measured on the ruler. It's 10 centimeters. I'm going to stick the point of my compass down here at B, and then I'm going to draw an arc. And it doesn't matter how long it is, as long as it cuts that line over there, because the distance from B now to this arc, all along this arc, is a distance of 10 centimeters. But you want a distance of 10 centimeters, which is actually also on this line going perpendicularly from A upwards. Okay, so that's going to be my point C. I'm going to mark that as C, and then I'm going to draw a line segment from B to C and then fill in my dimensions. Okay, so there you have it. I just joined B up to C, and then filled in my dimensions, 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 90 degrees.